place does is it allows people to come down, do some meaningful work, work with different people from different backgrounds.
Share some of the skills that I've got, so I can sort of share them with other people. It was my daughter that like sort of said, I found this number together, and she just sort of said, what about ringing this up? You do a lot of woodworking at home, why don't you just get out and give them a call? So that's what I did. It's good just to sort of get out, interact with people, get them out of the door. People get stuck in their ways, and it's a daunting thing to sort of come out and meet new people that you've never met. Yeah, very welcoming. Yeah, there were no sort of clickiness with it all. It seemed to be, you know, come in, do you want a cup of tea?
Like today, I thought, well, if I sit it out, you know, you go, I've only sat it out watching daytime television, haven't I? So I'll come up here and I haven't started work yet, but that's beside the point. When I first started, I thought, well, I'll just go and have a look at it, like, you know, and chatting and whatever, like, you know, and find out what he can do and what he can do and things like that, you know. I mean, there'll be no pressure on you, you can...
Come down, even if it's just come down for 10 minutes, have a cup of tea with us, see how we go on.